The purpose of this video is to explain the difference between validity and reliability. If your research has validity, it means that your findings represent that which you're trying to measure. For example, there are some who claim that the SAT is a predictor of college success. Others, however, claim that this test is not a valid predictor of college, so therefore lacks validity. There are many forms of validity, which will be discussed in other videos. Your research is reliable if the findings are consistent after repeated measures. Again, there are multiple forms of reliability, which will be discussed in other videos. We can use a scale to demonstrate the differences between the two. If you step on the same scale every morning when you get up, you would expect your weight to be about the same each day. It may vary by 1 or 2 pounds, but if it varied by 10 to 20 pounds every time you stepped on it, you'd conclude that your scale lacked reliability. The same scale or instrument is not consistently giving you similar results. So what about validity? Let's say that you've had your scale for a long time, but decide you want a digital scale instead. Your weight has been pretty consistent over the years, and you've also found that your old scale consistently gives you similar results to the scale at your doctor's office. However, you pull the new scale out of the box, step on it, and the weight is 15 pounds more than the old scale or what you've seen at your doctor's office. You would question the accuracy of this new instrument, that it's not giving you the correct weight. The new digital scale appears not to be a valid measure of your weight. Your new instrument lacks validity. If you find that the new scale gives you the same higher weight every time you step on it, it's consistent, so it meets the test of reliability. But because it doesn't give you numbers similar to the other instruments, the new scale lacks validity. Here's another example. As your kids grow, you want to track their height. If your child told you that she wanted to use the bathroom scale to check how much taller she is, you'd tell her that this scale measures weight, not height. Instead, we would use a tape measure or a ruler to do that. The scale is not a valid instrument to measure how tall she is. I hope this video has helped you understand the difference between validity and reliability.